Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video on this channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the latest version of Anaconda and also Jupyter Notebook Notepad. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser. Any browser will do, but I'm using the Chrome browser here. Now on the Google search Anaconda download. You can see the option Anaconda download here. And here you can see www.anaconda.com. To download it, just click the free download option here. And this is their website. This is the official website and you can download it for free. Here you can see Coding Cloud, but we're going to download and install it onto our PC. So to download it, just click this for the Windows version, download, just click it here. And as you can see, it will automatically start it downloading on your PC, but I already downloaded it. I don't need to download it again. It doesn't matter if your PC is 34-bit or 64-bit, it will automatically download or default on your PC. And just double click it here to open to start the installation process. As you can see, I'm going to minimize this one. The setup is loading. You have to wait for the loading to stop. And after that, just click next and just read all the agreement if you want to. And click agree and just click next, just me. And this is the destination folder. You can change it, the destination folder, but the default is okay. The required space is 5.7 GB. Then click next here, and here you can just leave all this as it is. And as you can see, the installation process is began. As you can see, the installation process is complete and it will take a few minutes to completely install because it is a heavy software. And now click the next button here and click next again and click finish again. And it will show you that the registration, the installation is free. Now to open the Anaconda, go to your search option and type Anaconda. Here you can see Anaconda Navigator. Just double click it to open the software here. As you can see, the software is opening. Initialization, it is a heavy software, so it will take time to open for the first time. Now, as you can see, this is the Anaconda software, that is Anaconda Navigator. And here are some pre-installed tool that you can see. It will also download automatically some of the pre-installed tool. In here, you can see some pre-installed tool like a data shield, Anaconda notebooks. And also here is the Jupyter Notebook that we need to run our Python program. And to open that, just click the launch option here. This will all pre-install in your Anaconda Navigator software, so you don't need to download separately. And after clicking the launch option, it will ask you if I want to open it with the Google Chrome. I want to open it with the Google Chrome here. Just click that option and this page will redirect you to Jupyter Notebook, so you don't have to download a notebook separately. And as you can see, the Jupyter Notebook is now visible on the Chrome. Now you can start your projects and run your Python codes here. So this is the video of how you can install the Anaconda easily. So I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.